Hello everyone, welcome back. So on today's video, I'll be doing extreme budget makeup from Dollar Tree. So I pick a couple items from Dollar Tree for this video. So we're gonna do a makeup challenge from Dollar Tree items. So I'm excited. We'll see. I don't know how it's gonna look like, but let's do it. Okay guys, before we're gonna start doing makeup, so I'm gonna show you first all the product that I got from Dollar Tree. So the first one in this LA color, second, third is the mascara, fourth is the blush, fifth is the lip gloss, and last item is the BB cream. So done introducing all the product that I got from Dollar Tree. So now we're gonna go ahead and start applying all this product into our face. So first I'm gonna start first with the BB cream. So this is the Sassy Chic BB Beauty Benefit Cream medium one. I picked the medium one. It's multi-action skincare makeup, and yeah, so this is we're gonna use for our foundation, and this is the medium one. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It's like brown, like medium shade. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start applying it onto my face like that. Oh my god. So I'm just gonna use the sponge. Something like that. So this is how it looks like, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it onto my entire face, and we'll see how it looks like. Okay, for the BB cream, I mean for $1, it's a nice product for $1. I like it because it will give my skin like moisture, like give those glowy look, and I like that because normally my face is like dry, and dry at the same time oily. Sometimes it's dry, sometimes it's oily, I don't know, but that's how my face is. But the BB cream is not bad at all for $1. So can you see that, guys? This is how it look like my skin after putting this foundation, this BB cream onto my face. So not too bad for $1. So okay, let's move on to the next step. Okay, what next? So we're gonna do eyeshadow. So it's gonna just open it and apply it onto our eyelids. I don't know how to do eyeshadow, but I'm just gonna play with it because I still don't know how to do eyeshadow. Ooh, look, the packaging is so cute, and they have 4 shades. It's really cute packaging though. So take it up, tape up, and this is how it's look like, guys. This is how, oh, I love the foundation. It's like really nice. It's like give those glowy look. I love that foundation. I mean that's not foundation. I always say it foundation. It's a BB cream. So this is the shades, guys. So let's go ahead and apply it to our lid. So I'm gonna use this first, and I'm gonna try this gold color onto our eyelid. Okay, next, done with the eyeshadow. Actually, the eyeshadow is not too bad. I like the gold color. It's like really nice when you put it onto your eyelid. This color, I love this color. This is really nice color. So I just like put it all over my eyelid, the gold color, and also in my inner corner of my eyes too. So it's not too bad. So let's go ahead and next to the next product. So next is this LA liquid eyeliner in the shade black. So we'll see how it's gonna work, because it's look like the brush is so thick, so I kind of like, I don't like that brush like thick. It's hard to put it on to, I mean, it's hard to do a wing liner. So let's find out. Okay, let's do the wing liner. So it's, oh my god, the brush, I mean the spoolie or whatever you call this, the brush is like thick, so I kind of like, I'm thinking it's gonna make a mess. So let's find out, guys. So I'm gonna start applying it to my wing liner. Okay, done with this side. Let's go ahead to do the other side. Kind of like the product, it's hard to get, so I have to shake it maybe, and doesn't come out really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and start applying it to my right side. Okay, done with the liquid eyeliner, done with this, and let's move on to the next product. So next is the mascara. This is how it's gonna use for our eyelashes. Okay, done with the mascara. I'm having trouble putting on applying mascara, because when you start applying it, like all the faux lashes, like all the lashes like stick together. So let's move on to the blush. This is gonna use, guys, blush, and it says velvety finish. I got the Sweet Cheek shades. So I like the foundation. I like the foundation again. I like the BB cream. See, look how the BB cream like cover my, I like how the BB cream set onto my face. I like that glowy looking skin for $1 for a BB cream. Not bad at all. So let's open the blush. The blush is so cute. This is the container and they have little baby brush on it for the blush. It's so cute. So oops, I dropped the, so this is how it look like, guys, and I dropped the blush. So the brush is so cute. I like the baby cream. So this is the brush, guys. This is how it look like. I don't know if it's gonna work for me. Okay, guys, so I don't like the brush. I'm gonna use my other brush for my blush on. So this is how it's gonna see. So I'm gonna use this brush to set it to my cheeks and we'll see. Okay, done with the blush. So this is the last product that we're gonna try on. This is the LA Colors lip gloss. This is how it's look like. So guys, this is how it's look like. So cute packaging, and it's a lip gloss. So I'm gonna go ahead and start applying it to my lips. So okay, now this is the look that I create for my makeup challenge from $1 Tree. So I'm gonna go ahead talk first the product that is it worth it to buy. So the first product that I'm gonna still using it because I like how it cover my skin. So this is the BB cream that only for $1 that definitely I'm gonna use it, finish all the product for this bottle. So I like how it cover my face, my skin. So it give those glowy, healthy looking skin. So I'm gonna use it. I like how it set to my face, so worth it to buy. And also this little cute blush, I like it too. It's really cute blush, give those little shiny color in your cheeks. So definitely gonna use it too. It's really nice pigmented blush. And also what else, the lip gloss. I like the lip gloss, and definitely I'm gonna use it. Maybe I put it second layer to my matte lipstick. This is gonna work. So, and I love the smell. It smells candy, so I like that smells candy, and it's not sticky at all. It gives those like glossy look in your lips. So definitely gonna use this a lot. And yeah, so I got 3 items that I love: the BB cream, the blush, and the lip gloss. So definitely gonna keep that to my makeup collection. And let's move on. So the product that I don't like, mascara, because I noticed it when I start applying it to my eyelashes. It's like stick all together, all my eyelashes, so I do not like that. And also the liquid eyeliner, I do not like it because the, what do you call it? I don't know how do you call this. This is so, the tip, that the brush or whatever, the applicator, it's so thick and it's hard to do my wing liner nice and clean. So that's all that I don't like about these liquid eyeliner, and also the mascara. I don't like it at all. So, and also the eyeshadow. The only thing that I don't like, the plain shade, I don't like it. It's hard to it doesn't color, it doesn't see the color at all. So no for eyeshadow. And the rest, it's, I really like the BB cream. The way it's covered onto my face, I really like the BB cream, so definitely I'm gonna use it from now on till I finish it, because it's really nice BB cream, and also the lip blush, and also the lip gloss. So that's it for today's vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching. So I'm gonna put my most recent video right here, and also my most recommended YouTube video here in this side. So if you want to watch, if you want to see more of me, just click this most recent video that I uploaded and most recommended YouTube video if you want to see more me. And that's it for today's vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye.